Hey, what's up guys? This is Jerry. This is my first video and I'm gonna name this channel the JDM channel. Jerry Does Magic. Just a little quick run through today. We're gonna be washing and detailing this car. Full cut and buff and polish with a ceramic coat. This is my brother's car. He just recently passed away this year and I was gifted this car and I'm gonna restore it back. It's pretty clean right now, but as you know, I'm a car guy, so I'm gonna suit this thing up to the way I like it. And I'll show you guys a little detail of the stuff that I'm gonna be using today. I just went to your local Harbor Freight, picked up a little DA buffer, a little cheap guy. I think it was like $100 or so, not too bad. Got some drying microfiber, double stitch, double loop, drying cloth, towels. I just went all out at Harbor Freight. Gonna be using McGuire, some mirror glaze. I'm not sure how good it is, but I'll test it out. It's cheap stuff. Gonna finish it off with some hybrid ceramic wax. The soap I'm using today is gonna be some just a McGuire detailer hyper wash. Nothing special. Like I said, just cheap stuff at Harbor Freight. I'm also gonna clay the car too with just a quick detailer. Nothing expensive, cheap stuff. Got this pack at Costco. Pretty cheap, but it does a job. So got some steel wool too to clean up my windows. Don't mind the car in the back. It's pretty dusty. But yeah, let's get started today. Let's see where we can make this baby shine. So I'm going to be using a clean bucket with soap and another clean bucket with just strictly water to rinse it out, so it doesn't get any contaminates or scratch up the paint. So let's get started. So I'm not going to dry it just yet. I'm just going to do a quick clay bar real quick and then take off all the contaminants that's on the paint, and then it'll make it a lot smoother once we get all those little contaminants off. Might seem like a lot of work, but you can feel the difference. It's like slick now. Before it was kind of rough. You can feel your head just grabbing on the paint, but now it's just slick. But that's just the prep stage. I like to wash my wheels last with the remainder soap, just because that's usually the dirtiest part, and at least I'm just using the rest of the soap and all the grinds would just go on the bottom of the bucket. There we go. This should be the last part before we start buffing it out. I'm actually going to cheat and use a good old leaf blower. now to the fun part. First, we're gonna start off using the green pad. We're gonna be using that with this Meguiar Mirror Glaze Ultra Pro Speed Compound, the 110. We'll see how it goes. This is just the first stage. Alright guys, this is the last part of the polishing stage. I'm going to be using the yellow fine foam to start my polish. I'm going to be pairing that with the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Ultra Pro finishing polish. Alright guys, one more last step before we get to the liquid wax. Just a little mixture of water and alcohol. That's just to clean up the rest of the compound and get it ready for the ceramic coating. Alright guys, last coat. We're down to the ultra fine foam finishing polish pad. We're going to pair that with the Meguiar's ceramic liquid wax. Let's see how this thing works. Alright, let's wipe up that ceramic coat and let's see how it looks under it. Alright, let me clean up the windows with some steel wool. And then I'm going to touch up all the black interior part with some Meguiar Ultimate Black. Haven't tried this stuff, so let's see how good it is. Hey, what's up guys? You guys are probably ready for the end product, see what it looks like, huh? So this is it right here. I did the spare too, just in case. Alright, that's it guys. Alright, thanks for watching my channel.
Boys in the place to be. Many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional. Make you shake your cats, thank you. Haters take it personal.
Like a Canada type, that's all. Nail talk, oh, let's go. Not my money, let's all. Hot sun, shiki my also, let's go. Let's go. To heal like a lot, love color, let's go. Need you walk, go, tonight, need go. New dance, so let's go. Point.
I wonder if you know how that it be Tokyo. If you seen it, then you mean it, then you know you have to go.
Boys あっという間吹き飛ばすノイズ慢心してますんでゲットペンの数も増えてますベーシックはサプライズでマジ毎日が危ないぜ忍者風賢者風だけどゲイシャーウェイトの惑星からのシャー
See me in the parking lot
7-Eleven is the spot. Bikes with wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears, oh my ride. We fierce and fast, supersonic like JJ Fat, and we ride till the wheels are flat. Can't beat that with a baseball bat.
교과 도사 마대로 이제 속삭 Yo interceptor 때国際的犯罪は万歳ほらハンザー彼らがボムコストを取り出す今夜の4 boys from Far East Coast どうさせる
私のゴースト I wonder if you know Could it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it Then you know you have to go
Yeah 一番毎日ドキドキですヒートアイランド飛び飛びで燃えるようでぼちぼちね玉ねぎで誘うこっちこっちへヒートアップで通りそう街中すべて乗り込むめっちゃ借りもんだってシャーごちゃごちゃファストや
It's gotta be the shoes, gotta be the furs. That's why ladies choose me. All up in the news, cause we so cute. That's why we so huge. Harajuku girls know how I feel. Daily spec, I keep it real. Not a China man, cause I ain't from China, man. I am Japan, man.
私は時を好き
You see Nigo coming out of the black pants as a laugh
素敵
You wonder where he get that kind of money
時を好き
Don't worry about it
な